There's something that's coming out in the realm of emotions, deep emotion, and how this person feels about you. Perhaps that's their truth. And I don't know who they'd hurt in the process of conveying this truth to you. But whoever it may be, they're not afraid to hurt. Maybe they've been mindful of what other people think or someone else thinks in their life about your relationship and how they truly feel about you, but the love is deep. The feelings are profound, and there is a new beginning coming in love. There's a feeling of newness. An offer of some sort when it comes to the person saying how they feel. Perhaps they offer their heart. Star is here. Wow.